Grilling out, a tasty phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's not only popular in English-speaking countries but also deliciously interesting. Grill out. Stay tuned as we explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's a phrase you'll love to know. Grill out is a phrase that's particularly popular in American English. It combines two words, grill and out. At its core, grill refers to cooking food over an open flame or heat source, usually on a metal grate. The word out in this context indicates an outdoor setting. So, when someone says they're going to grill out, they mean they're planning to cook food outdoors on a grill. You'll often hear grill out in casual, social contexts. It's a phrase that evokes images of sunny days, backyards, and gatherings with friends or family. For example, we're planning to grill out this weekend. Would you like to come? I love to grill out during the summer. There's nothing like a good barbecue. Notice how the phrase is typically associated with positive, leisurely activities. It's more than just cooking. It's about the experience of enjoying food and company outdoors. In different English-speaking regions, you might encounter variations or similar phrases. For example, have a barbecue, or simply, barbecue, are often used interchangeably with grill out. However, in some areas, barbecue might imply a specific style of cooking or type of food, whereas grill out is more general. When using grill out in conversation or writing, remember it's a casual, informal phrase. It's perfect for social conversations but might not be suitable for formal contexts. You can use it as a verb phrase, we're going to grill out, or as part of a noun phrase, we're having a grill out this Saturday. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, grill out. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about culture and lifestyle. Grill out is a perfect example of how a simple phrase can encapsulate a whole social activity. Happy learning, and maybe even try to grill out yourself sometime. Stay tuned for more interesting English phrases and idioms in our upcoming videos.